Okay, so question number 20 কি বলছে? As a result of 5% fall in the price of a good, its demand rises by 12%. Find out elasticity. So ED is equal to numerator percentage change in QD divided by percentage change in price. So percentage change in QD is 12% and percentage change in price is 5%, but we will write minus 5% as the price falls. So ultimately answer is minus 2.4. Clear? Come to 21. 21 there you are having two questions. One is elasticity of demand for good X, which is equal to percentage change in QD divided by percentage change in price. Now for good X, what is the percentage change in QD? Look at the question. What is the percentage change in QD? Value. What is the value? A 3% fall in the price of good X leads to 9% rise in the demand. That is QD is 9%. 9% is plus because rise. And what is price? 3%. 3% is fall, so negative. So answer is minus 3. Similarly, for question number 21, we are having the next one. We will write like this. Elasticity of demand for good Y, which is equals to percentage change in QD divided by percentage change in price. Now for good Y, what happened? Let us read out again. A 5% rise in the price. Price rises by 5%. So 5% rise. Price. Denominator. Clear? Leads to 5% fall in demand. So 5% is quantity demand. As it falls, so we will write minus. Clear? So answer is minus 1. Am I clear? বুঝাতে পারলাম কিভাবে এটা -1 হলো এটা -3 হলো? What you need to see is that whether is something either price or demand is falling or rising. If it falls, then before it we will put minus. Fine. Let's move to question number 22. A 5% fall in the price of good X leads to 10% rise in demand. Again 22 we are having two questions, isn't it? So 22, calculate elasticity of demand. So we write ED for good X. What do we write? ED for good X, which is equals to percentage change in QD divided by percentage change in price. Now good X কি বলছে? Price কি হচ্ছে? Everyone. Good X এর বেলায় প্রাইসটা কত বলো? 5%. Rise or falls? So minus 5%. What about quantity demand? 10%. Rises? So answer is minus 2. Answer is minus 2. Then ED for good Y, which is equals to percentage change in QD divided by percentage change in price. Now what happened to good Y? A 2% rise in the price of good Y. So price rises by 2%. Clear? What about quantity demand? 6% fall, that is minus 6%. Answer is minus 3. Is it okay? 22 done. Fine. What about 23? As the price of a commodity falls from rupees 8 to 6, its demand rises from 100 units to 125 units. Find out the price elasticity of demand by percentage method. Now, ED is equal to percentage method. This is the formula. Numerator percentage change in QD divided by percentage change in price. Everyone look at the board. This is the formula of percentage change. But if we see question number 23, neither price nor quantity demand is given in percentage form. Are you getting what I am saying? Neither the information is given in percentage form. That is, our first job is to convert the information into percentage. Am I clear? How to convert? Numerator. We will write Q1 minus Q0 divided by Q0 into 100 whole divided by P1 minus P0 by P0 into 100. Now what is Q1? The new quantity. What is Q0? The initial or old quantity. Now look at the question. You can find two quantities are there. One is 100 and one is 125. বুঝতে পারটা কি কো यार? Are you getting? As the price of a commodity falls from rupees 8 to 6, these are price 8 and 6. Its demand rises from 100 to 125 units. So these are the two demands, 100 and 125. Which one is the new? 100 আর 125 এর মধ্যে নতুন কোনটা? Very good. So 125 minus 100 by 100 into 100. Come to the denominator. Two prices are there, 8 and 6. Which is the new price? 6 minus 8 by 8 into 100. Now this 100 get cancelled. 125 minus 100 is 25 and 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Minus 2, then it is 4, then 25. Denominator is minus 25. Answer is minus 1. Clear? Clear? How the answer is minus 1? Understand? Note it down. Question number 24. At a price of rupees 20 per unit, the quantity demanded of a commodity is 300 unit. That is, P0 is 20, Q0 is 300. Its price falls by 10%, comma, its quantity demanded rises by 60 units. Calculate its price elasticity. Look at the board. Here, method is not mentioned, whether percentage or geometric. Let us solve it by percentage because it is very easy. How? ED is equals to percentage change in QD divided by percentage change in price. And interestingly, in this question, denominator is given in percentage. That is price how much? 10%. Rises or falls? So minus 10%. But numerator is not given in percentage. We need to make it in percentage. How? Let us see. Q1 minus Q0 by Q0 into 100. Denominator 10%. Numerator. Q0 we all know. 300. What is Q1? What is Q1? 360. How you know? Initially demand is 300 units and then it rises by 60. That is actually 300 plus 60, which is equal to 360. So Q1 is 360, Q0 is 300 divided by 300 into 100. Am I clear? This is the only twisting point. বুঝাইতে পারছি? Now, rest calculation. Denominator is minus 10%. Denominator is minus 10%. Numerator 360 minus 300, that is 60. Clear? 360 minus 300 is 60. 60 divided by 300, that is 5, and 5 into 100, numerator is 20%. So answer it is minus 2. What is the answer? Minus 2. Question number 25. As a result of 10% rise in the price, its demand falls from 100 to 90 units. Find out price elasticity of demand. ED equals to percentage change in QD by percentage change in price. In this question, percentage change in price is directly given. It is rise. So 10% is positive value, but demand is not directly given in percentage. We will convert it like this: Q1 minus Q0 by Q0 into 100. Now, denominator 10%, numerator. Now tell me, 25. What is Q1? Everyone, see the question 25. What is the value of Q1? What is the value of Q1? 90. 90 minus 100 by 100 into 100. This 100 get cancelled. Numerator minus 10, denominator is plus 10. That is answer is minus 1. Same question almost. 26. How? Proceed korbo? Ekটু দেখে নাও 26. A household increases its demand from 40 to 50 units when its price falls by 10%. Again here, one value is percentage, one is in absolute. So ED, percentage change in QD by percentage change in price. Denominator, price how much? 10%. Rises or falls? So minus 10%. Denominator Q1 minus Q0 by Q0 into 100. So minus 10%. Tell me which is Q1 here? 50. Very good. 50 minus 40 by 40 into 100. Denominator minus 10%. Numerator 50 minus 40 is 10. 10 by 40 is 4 and 4 25. So numerator is 25%. Answer minus 2.5. So this is all about numerical from elasticity of demand. Clear?